From yesterday's bread to a sweet tradition, Torrija. In Andorra, nothing is ever wasted, especially bread. What began centuries ago as a way to give life to yesterday's love turned into one of the most beloved Easter treats, Torrija. Imagine this, the aroma of cinnamon and orange zest drifting through the air. On the table, a jug of warm milk, a few eggs, sugar glistening like sands, and a slice of bread just waiting to be transformed. Here's how the magic unfolds. Step 1. The bread. Tradition calls for slightly stale bread. It soaks better and holds its shapes. Slice it thick, almost like golden bricks of comfort. Step 2. The soak. Warm milk with a stick of cinnamon, strips of lemon or orange peel, and a spoon of sugar. Pour this fragrant milk over the bread slice and let them drink it like a sponge of sweetness. Step 3. The coating. Dip each soaked slice gently in beaten egg. This is what gives Torrija their golden armor when fried. Step 4. The frying. Into a pan of shimmering butter they go, sizzling and crisping, the scent filling the kitchen like a celebration. Step 5. The finish. Dust with cinnamon sugar. And there you have it. Torrija, a dessert from simplicity, crunchy on the outside, tender and custardy inside. They are proof that the best recipe often start with the simplest of things. So, next time you have a forgotten loaf of bread, remember, you don't just have leftover, you have the beginning of a story. Andorra isn't just about the slopes and the duty-free shops. It's about the little moments that makes you stop and smile. Picture this. You have come back from a morning of wandering narrow stone streets where the mountains peak around every corner like ancient guardians. The air is crisp, your cheeks still rosy from the cool Pyrenean breeze. You duck into rustic cafe, wood beams above, the hum of Catalan, and a Spanish chatter around you. On the counter, you spot them, golden slice glistening with sugar, their edges slightly crisp, their center soft and inviting. Torrija. You take a seat by a window, order one, and when it arrives, it's warm, still fragrant from the pan. You cut through the crust, the fork sinking into its custardy heart. The first bite is everything. Sweet tickles over your tongue, cinnamon lingers like a memory of winter nights, and the bread melts rich with spice milk. Outside, snow-capped peaks gleam in the sun. Inside, you feel utterly at home. Eating Torrija feels different. In Spain, there are Easter tradition. In Andorra, surrounded by mountain and timeless quiet, they become something else. A reward after a hike, a comfort in the cold, a taste that binds travelers and local alike. As you sip your coffee, letting that sweetness linger, you realize something. Torrija aren't just food. They are a story, told in every bite, of humble bread reborn, of tradition carried across border, of simple pleasure that make journey unforgettable. Oh, yummo.